In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link slides to another slide in Google Slides. This handy skill will elevate your presentations, allowing you to connect different parts of your deck seamlessly. Adding links not only makes your presentations more interactive, but also improves navigation, helping your audience move through your content with ease and efficiency. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can master this useful feature. First things first. Ensure that you are connected to the internet since Google Slides is a cloud-based tool. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have one yet, this is a great opportunity to create it. Signing in is crucial because it allows you to access, edit, and save your presentation securely in Google Drive, making your work accessible from any device at any time. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are displayed. If you're starting from scratch, click on Blank Presentation to begin fresh, or select a template that suits your style and purpose. Templates can save you time while giving your slides a polished, professional look without designing each slide individually. Now that your presentation is open, decide which slide you want to add a link to. Navigate through your slides and select the one you'll use. If the slide doesn't have content yet, don't worry. You can link text, images, shapes, or even blank areas. To start, go to the top menu bar and click Insert, which opens a drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Link. A dialog box will appear where you can create your link. Here's where the magic happens. If you want to link to another slide within the same presentation, look for the slides you hit in this presentation section. Clicking this will display all the slides aids in your deck. Choose the slide you want to link to and make sure to double check your selection. Click. Apply once you're sure everything is correct. Your link is now active and functional. By following these steps, your presentation becomes much more interactive. This technique is especially useful for long or complex presentations, helping you efficiently guide your audience from one section to another. Teachers, students, and business professionals alike can greatly benefit from mastering slide linking in Google Slides. Integrate these steps into your workflow, and soon you'll wonder how you ever manage without them. Happy presenting.